Welcome back. Good afternoon. It's currently Sunday, 4 p.m. We're just going to be going over some trades we've been taking over the course of the past week. So we're just going to go right into it and just review this trade we took here on the 13th. So that was a Tuesday. It was on gold. Continuation trade. Um, Small sweep, double break structure, retracement down to the 75% level, closed above structure, entered. We did get into a bit of drawdown, but it did result in a win. Next one, Euro USD. Um, this is a very lower time frame course of action, price action. So we had a break structure, retracement, and a close above. There's a very small area here, and we just the market did reverse on us, and we did result in a loss. That's what it looks like in the higher time frame. As you can see, I was just interested in this 1 hour demand zone, but that didn't work out. But that's fine. Again, Euro USD. I'm assuming this was a higher time frame sell zone. Yep. And at the time, I thought price failed to break higher, so I was interested in going into some shorts. So I had a double top. Price failed to break close above, so I was like, okay, sweet, go short. So we waited for a break structure, waited for a retracement. We retraced 50% of this range, and we did close below. Our entry was there, and we did get reversed and stopped out. This is what it looks like in the high time frame. Next up, we have silver. I'm wanting to trade more commodities as that market's just going off right now. There's a lot of volume in those markets. So we had a small sweep here on the lower time frame, 5 minute time frame. We had a double break structure. Then we had a retracement into the 50% level, and then we did close above, which is our entry. We entered, stop loss at the low, TP at the high, and we did get reversed and stopped out. So it looks like on the high time frame. Next one was on AUD USD, a continuation trade. Pretty happy with the RR here. On this very day, AUD USD was hitting all-time highs. So I had a pretty strong conviction that we were going to continue to be bullish. So this was more of an impulse trade because I didn't wait for a close below on this trade. So we had a 1 hour IRL, mitigated it, had a double break structure. We retraced down to the 75% level. I didn't wait for a close above, so I just entered it anyways. Because I had a pretty so I knew AUD USD was bullish, and this setup it just felt nice. So I impulsed entered. But yeah, we did result in a 2.83 risk to reward. Pretty happy with that. This is what it looks like in the higher time frame. Next up, we have Euro USD again. This was a middle time frame reversal type of trade, and we did result in a break even. So let's have a look. So this is more of a sell zone for me, long wicks, and we were currently high in the range for Euro USD. So I waited for a break structure. We had a 75% level retracement. We did close below here, entered. Almost went down to take profit, but we did reverse and hit break even, but that's fine. That's what it looks like on the higher time frame. So overall, not too bad. We didn't lose every single trade, so that's good, I guess. But we are still currently sitting at a 46% win rate. Not the best, but we're working on it. We're just still figuring out what works best for us. Like if yeah, this is why the software is pretty cool because you can like see what's currently working for you right now. But obviously, when you have more data, it's more accurate. So if I go like lower time frame reversals, I've got a 40% win rate. Middle time frame reversals, 28%. High time frame, 66%. 63% on lower time frame continuation trades, 55% on middle time frame continuation trades, 41% on higher time frame continuation trades. So out of all those, I have the highest win rate on the lower time frame continuation trades. So I can start looking at this week and being like, okay, it's all it actually lines up because I'm just seeing this now as well. That I know that the commodity markets, AUD/USD, a lot of it's been bullish. Let's have a look right now. As you can see here on 1 hour time frame, Euro/USD is currently bullish, AUD/USD is popping off, going bullish, silver is going bullish, and gold. It's all hitting all-time highs. So it actually lines up with what's working for me right now. So I can see that lower time for continuations got a 63% win rate. I can get a feel of what type of entry I'm looking for by reviewing all the screenshots, and maybe I can go into next week only looking for lower time frame continuation trades, and hopefully I can have more of a green week next week. But that's about it. Nothing more to say. Have a good one.